talking to my friends. Mama, quit bothering me. How much more of this can I take?
Coming from New York, it's Kylan today.
Hey!
Got a care package from...
Don't show the address. Jeez, what's going on the
I don't
internet?
understand what you think people can do with your address.
Lots of things.
What?
Find us.
Okay.
Care package from my mama.
A care package from the Falbos, who don't live in Georgia.
Rude. Yeah, don't look there.
There's a card here from somebody.
This family.
Got this needs to go back to Lena's record. Go back in Lena's records.
Keep
Reading
going.
in cursive is hard. Oh, this is why.
Oh,
This is
cute.
BarkBox.
BarkBox.
This is why
No
Quinn knows.
wonder. Look at this
I
one.
thought she was just going at it because it's cardboard.
Get down.
Ooh, that's fun. Oh,
Yay.
look, gift card.
Oh, I did not have your head in that.
Happy Easter. Love you both and the puppies.
Yes.
Yay.
You know what? Is that an Apple gift card? Okay, you know
Yeah.
what that means?
What?
We can buy the next season of Schitt's Creek on iTunes.
No, get out of there. Get out of here.
But they just want it.
Yeah, well, like,
That's why
they can't have this.
Ooh, I can have that. Give me that.
Can't have this. Can't have this.
Those are definitely mine.
These
Those are mine.
These are definitely yours.
Those are mine. Those are yours.
Oh no, I already got the corona.
Oh, those are mine. Yes. Oh, Lena. Look at this.
Manteca. Lard. Oh, that's
you
so
lard?
funny because I said I wanted lard in the phone
Oh,
call.
she's moving all of our recycles.
That's funny. That's so funny.
Here, show us what you got.
A tub of lard. Oh, I've been wanting this
My
for.
mom's a comedian.
I've been
Hey.
wanting this. I've been wanting this for recipes, but also lard is used to recondition leather.
Oh goodness. It's not.
Love my
Oh,
peeps.
cutie. It's yellow on the inside.
Yeah. So Eastery.
Love.
And then this is padding for shipping. Oh, keep that. That's nice.
Oh my gosh.
Did I just become your father?
Yes. Mom, do you see this?
That's nice right there. I don't care who you are.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks. I'm gonna use my tub of lard.
Will you take this out? Get down, get down.
Take the churro out.
Yeah, that's Lena's. She gets that every time. And then give Quinny a little, whoa, what is that? What would you call this?
Cuddly koala.
Oh, cute. Is it Australia themed? Because we got a crocodile too.
Yeah, I think so.
Sit. Lena, sit. Lena, sit.
What? So selfish. So today I cannibalized our old Mac Mini for parts
to update my iMac that I found on the street in Brooklyn to make that run better. And we'll see once it's done updating. Granted, you know that this screen can't possibly work, but I plug it into this screen, boom, free computer. So we're gonna see if I can make this thing run like clockwork right now. Cool.
Puppy box. What's the puppy box? Oh,
BarkBox.
bark box.